So today we're going to learn about what a line segment is. So a line segment is similar to a line. The only difference is that it has two endpoints. So in so the two endpoints you indicate them like this. So remember how a line had two arrows at both ends? A line segment has two endpoints, so it doesn't continue in both directions endlessly. So you can indicate this as A, B. So that's what a line segment is. Now to signify a line segment in geometry is for instance, if we're starting here, you could say BA and you just put a line above. So that would be considered line segment BA, but it could also be considered line segment AB. It doesn't really matter. So that's one way. Those are two ways of signifying a line segment. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment.